for my last and final day here in Australia, we're here at Heathcote Park Raceway, about an hour and a half north of Melbourne, Australia. Motive Video put on this event along with Tuner's Edge. It's awesome to see a lot of local cars out here. We've got drag racing all day. Got some serious machines out here. Big shout out to Platinum Racing Products for bringing me out here to Australia. It's been one hell of a trip, and this is going to be the last shebang. Let's see what's out here and get some racing. That's a little different XR6 than I've seen before.
Sorry?
That's nice.
Yeah, different.
I haven't seen one with that kind of top on it. What year is this?
98.
98, okay.
Yeah, from work almost daily, all the way up to Friday was used to go to work and back every day.
Really?
So, yeah, it's our work car.
You dynoed it?
Yeah, it's high 400 kilowatts, you know.
Sweet. I assume it's got a bear in it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That looks good.
So we've got Commodore for normal everyday driving.
Yeah. Oh shit, what the hell? What is this? How does that work?
Well, that's a sport shift, that's a BDR. So normal driving is just column, in drives everything normally. When, you know, you want to do a bit more drag racing or the gear selects perfectly, flick it over and it's the sport shift.
So it's all electronic?
It's mixed together, electronic and mechanical.
Huh.
Yeah.
And what's the quickest time in it so far?
Technically, on the 1/8 mile, they calculated that it's ran high 9s. But on a 400 meter track, it's gone 10-2.
10-2.
Yeah.
So today you might be able to break into the 9s? The weather's nice for it.
Well, so far everything's looking good, so
yeah.
We'll discuss that at the end of the day.
Well, good luck today. Hopefully we'll see that single digit pass.
That's it.
Good luck.
Thanks.
146, so close. Almost his first 9. Smoke. 554 to the 8th, 870, 227. All of a sudden they switched over to kilometers an hour. What's his best time so far? Like ever on the track?
975.
975 on the track.
Trying to beat that today.
I was told there was a 10-second starlet that runs around here sometimes.
How you going, mate? Yeah, that's me. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Look at that. Dang. I went out with Arthur and his little starlet with no blow-off valve on it, the nice turbo surge on it.
Yeah.
The stuff he loves.
He loves it, yeah.
I fell in love with these cars then. This one's a little quicker than his though.
Yeah. What's the best time? 10?
I ran 10.2 seconds here.
10-2?
142 miles an hour.
In this thing?
Yeah.
So that's gotta be crazy. So what motor's in here?
It's 5E engine, similar to what they run in Paseos or Tercels.
Okay.
1500 cc's. It's on 40 pounds of boost.
40 pounds.
Yeah.
Right.
And it's got a 62 mil size turbo on it.
Wow.
A little bit of nitrous. Not to make overall power, but to actually help the turbo come on quicker. Then it switches off sort of.
Okay, so mainly out of the hole.
Yeah.
It is a pretty big turbo for a small motor.
Yeah, it gets full boost at 6,000 RPM if you don't use the nitrous.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So
have you dynoed it?
We have dynoed it, yeah. It makes 373 kilowatts at the front wheels.
It must be pretty light then.
with me in it, I've just put 80 pounds of lead ballast behind the front bumper bar.
Oh, okay.
With me in it, it should be around 940 kilograms.
Dang.
Yeah. So
That's light. Single digit pass would be nice today. The weather's gonna hold out, I think, so.
yeah, and there's no breeze, nothing's perfect, can't complain.
Beautiful.
Sometimes we get up and there's a huge headwind, you know,
Oh,
if
yeah.
it traps around with your mile an hour, I don't know, but, you know, everyone's got the excuse why the car's not going, but we'll give it a go today, mate.
Today's the day.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you. We got LS1 power out here at Modified Live, and it's a big turbo.
It is a big turbo.
It's hard to ignore. Tell me what I'm looking at, because all these models confuse me.
All right, this is
Holden-
a Holden VN Commodore.
VN, okay. I'm still trying to learn all the models.
Yeah, not familiar for US cars. But yeah, engine will be very familiar.
Oh yes.
LQ, oh, it's LY6, 408, L92 heads, and obviously 94mm GDX.
So it's been an 8.0?
8.0 at 175.
175? Yeah? You got the mile an hour to do it, huh?
Yeah,
Well, they just opened the track up.
yep.
Time for
We'll
your
be out there
7.
soon. Thanks, mate.
Good luck.
Cheers.
What do you think it's going to run?
High 8,
High 8? I'm going to say 850.
somewhere around there
Oh, that's a pass. 824, 173. Come on. 987, 140. A mile an hour is not right. Ran his first 9.
That's out the leaf spring.
That's his first 9, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
987. Oh,
You did it.
Man.
First 9.
Oh yeah, it is.
You
it
skipped the
is.
990s, went straight to the 980s.
Oh, that's mad. That's mad.
The launch looked good.
Yeah, it felt real good.
I bet.
I was pumped. I go, don't blow into cool house now. Go,
Yeah.
go, go, go. Oh, that felt good, man.
Nice pass. That's awesome. Well, here's a familiar face. We've got Ender out here, Heathcote Raceway, and he got the 240, or the Silvia, as you guys call him out here, right?
S13 Silvia.
That's 13
Gotta
Silvia.
get it right. It's a
With
bit of
the
a touchy
massive,
subject.
massive turbo. It's good to see the car working.
Yeah, that's it. It's consistent. It's running around. So it's done 3 passes back to back. Nothing. Just drain the catch can and a couple of trims on the tune and head back out. So it's still on its full tune. It's on like 55 pounds. Makes somewhere around 1500 horsepower.
Jesus.
So yeah, it's
How much does this car weigh?
2,900 pounds. We weighed at Jamboree
It's not bad.
a fortnight ago. Yeah.
What's the power plant in here?
So it's just a 3.3 2J, Pro Mod 94, big cams, a lot of fuel.
Yeah, it takes a lot of fuel.
Yeah,
I see the 2 rails.
Yeah, two stages of injectors. It's got a Haltech Elite 2500 and the rev module. But yeah, other than that, it's 2-speed power glide built by Preston Automatics. The whole car's built by us at JDM Industries in Melbourne.
Car's looking good.
Thanks, mate.
Can't wait to see it make some more passes.
Yeah, hopefully.
Good luck.
See how we go.
The 8th mile's good. 591, 134. $157? You must have tripped the beams earlier or something. What's that number you're hoping for?
960 would be nice.
You've been a 70...
975.
975 so far?
Hoping.
You think you can beat the...
Handbrake keeps sticking.
Oh,
so
nice. Load her up. You think you can beat the 1920s car over here?
I reckon I will.
If you can beat the Audi, you can beat this thing. He passed him in the end, 991 to 1091. Neither of those cars look like they should be anywhere near those times. Hell yeah, there we go. Out of it. 522. Almost in the 4s. Wow.
Well done, man.
Is that your best 8?
There you go, you want to see it?
Is that your best 8?
Nah, I've gone 490, but...
Really? You've been in the 4s?
At a good
Damn.
track. And
that looked really good.
For Heathcote, it's not bad. 5.2, 143 mile an hour. And it still rolled through 850 to the full when I got off it at the half.
Damn.
That was on a mission, man.
Wow.
Do you reckon we should stay on it this time?
Yeah, do a full pass. I can't do a full pass because of the RPM cut.
Yeah, in a minute.
I need to put the dry sump.
Oh, yeah.
I need to put dry sump on.
Yeah, it probably runs out of oil up there, huh?
Yeah, that's why wet sump still, you know what I mean? 1500 horsepower.
Next up, we have the 1320 video streetcar shootout, and pretty much any car that wanted to enter is in the competition. Here we got 7 cars battling out for $3,000. Heads up, 8th mile. Here we go. Takes it to the 663. Arthur takes it 610. all over the place. Left lane took it. Got out early and woo!
Ran around him on the top end, but then we caught on fire at the end.
Are you serious? No.
Yeah, melted, but caught on fire. Shit.
Was the oil?
Yeah, it sprayed out the cab.
Oil fumes?
Yeah, but it's all good. We got the win. Win's a win.
Yeah, it was a fucking
You drive around. You
That
drive
looked like
around.
a badass race.
But he got me on the light. Just, actually not really. It was 0.1.
You caught him so good.
Yeah, it was good. But all in all,
0.1 difference?
0.1 difference, man.
Sick.
So let's get ready and
Love a good race.
round 2. Hey, thanks, Brad.
That was a close race.
Oh my god.
No traction.
I didn't think I was going to catch you.
Oh, I went out, I'm like,
And you were in front by about a car.
yeah, and then I
And then right at the end, I got you by about like a half a car length. Just.
Here we go. This is round 2 of the 1320 video shootout. Unfortunately, Arthur's yellow wagon broke, so the blue car gets a bye, and we got one race in this round. The underdog made it to the final.
Pretty happy.
Hell yeah.
Drove it here as well. I'm happy.
You're in the money, huh?
Either way, I'll come home with money.
That's badass.
Happy with that.
How much power is this?
It's about 600 horses at the wheels, 454 kilowatts.
You're working pretty hard for this then.
Yeah, thanks.
You need to throw a bottle on there for this guy. Big bottle. Is it an upgraded blower?
Upgraded.
Yeah, or the factory blower?
It's a 1900 Harrop blower.
Okay.
It's been ported between the manifold and the blower itself, but other than that, like the snout's not ported, just 9.5 pounds of boost, so it's not spinning too hard either.
Well, good luck in the final.
Thanks, man. Hope you're having a good time.
Yeah, good. Alright, for $3,000 in the 1320 video streetcar shootout, we got 2 Commodores going at it. One old school, one new school. Who's gonna take it home? Oh, he double pulled them. What a tease. 598. He barely stuck that one in there too. Fly by at the end. What was the margin?
0.05 of a second.
Wow.
Yeah, there's nothing in it.
No.
0.05. Congratulations, brother. Good work. That was 0.05 of a second. Put your hands together, guys, please. Bring up, Brad, up for the next one. She's going to give you that. All right, Carl's going to get that shot. I'm going to get that photo.
Oh, that was a good light. Versus a not good light. Right. Oh my god. Snuck it in there. I didn't think he was going to have it when he left so late. Jesus.
That's right.
Well, the winner of our 1320 video shootout, I had to come check it out. I saw it before your first pass. This is pretty impressive looking.
yeah.
Tell me about the Commodore.
It's mine and my best mate's car. We built it for drag challenge, our drag week. It's a 572 Merlin big block with twin
Old school.
S480s. Yeah, it gets the job done. So it used to be in my other car, but it was a bit heavy, so we built this a bit lighter. So it's only 3160. So
That's not bad
Yeah,
for a
so-
big steel car.
yeah, so we're starting to get ahead on it and see how it goes. Yeah.
How much power does this thing put down? Have you dynoed it?
It's made 1500 at the tyres on a hub
Damn.
dyno, so but obviously we're not using that at this track.
No,
So,
not at all.
and, yeah, we're getting it done.
What's the quickest pass you've run in this?
It's gone 830 at 174 mile an hour. So we're getting there.
7-second capable.
Well, that's what
Just
we
need-
built it
just
for.
need the right
so,
track, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Well, thank you for bringing it out.
No worries, mate.
It was running good today.
Yeah.
It was a great day here at the drag strip. Thank you to Melbourne Park Raceway. Thank you to Tuner's Edge. Thank you to Platinum Racing Products, and thank you to Moto Video for having us out. It's been a great trip here in Australia. That's it for this trip. Who knows when we'll be back next, but we love Australia and I will be back. I guarantee that. I'll see you guys.